Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's begin with the things that we can do in the settings. So let's open the settings, and I think I'd like to start with the personalization. So let's scroll until we will find the section connected with the Google, which is right here. So let's tap on it. And here we have to go to all services. Also a disclaimer, you will be able to do that even though you do not have your Google account added to the device. You can still do it. All right, so in all services, we have to scroll and find this privacy and security and tap on ads. So right here, we've got something which is called advertising ID. And advertising ID is responsible for showing you the advertisements which are more or less personalized. So for example, if you were looking for a specific item yesterday, then today you will see a lot of advertisements connected with this item. So for example, some offers, some discounts for that, etc. This is the advertising ID. So it just tracks your preferences, let's say. And what I highly recommend to do is to first of all reset advertising ID and delete advertising ID. So let's tap on reset, tap on confirm, and then delete, and tap on delete. And obviously this operation will not decrease the amount of advertisements which you receive. However, they will not be personalized, which is also great because you will not be I would say forced to again look for new items, etc. So I highly recommend to do that. Now the second option, which I highly recommend to do, is to come back to the general list of the settings and scroll all the way up to find, I believe, network and internet. Here we've got something which is called Private DNS. So let's tap on it. And right now we've got it set on automatic. So just mark Private DNS provider hostname, and here enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. And thanks to it, your device will limit the amount of advertisements which you will receive. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to actually turn off your notifications. So if you're receiving a lot of advertisements in your notification panel, which is right here, and they are from a specific app, you can turn off the notifications from this app. So for example, let's pretend that I'm receiving a lot of notifications from Play Store. So tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Right here, we've got the notifications, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, after scrolling, there are different categories of notifications which you receive. And what I recommend to do here is to simply find something which resembles you of advertisements. So for example, in my case, payments, deals, and recommendations, and simply turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. Obviously, if the specific app doesn't have categories, and if you don't need any kind of notifications from this app, I highly recommend to simply turn all of them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top. So all notifications. But of course, only in case that you don't need any kind of notifications from this app. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check the ad blocks. And I know that this advice could be a little bit obvious for most of you. However, sometimes we forget that the ad blocks could actually help. Moreover, now we've got different ad block categories than we had before. So, for example, those ad blocks were meant only for the browsers. But let me open the Play Store. Of course, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added, etc. If you wish, we've got a separate tutorial of how to do it. But here, after tapping on search and entering the ad block or something like that, we've got plenty of options from which we can choose. And obviously, we've got the blocks, the ad blocks for a specific browser, but also we've got the app block, so block apps and sites, for example. We've got the ad blocker for Android, which is also not only for the browser but for the whole system, etc. Or content blocker What I just wanted to show you is that we've got different categories of the blockers, and I highly recommend to simply go through the list and try to find the one that will help you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.